Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between, including our new AI agent, which gives your business assurance that you'll never miss a call again. US Tech can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. First thing you're going to want to do is push the round circle button right here to get the IP address of the phone. This screen will appear on your phone, which will give you your IPv4 IP address, your MAC address, machine ID, Wi-Fi, MAC, and your firmware, which could be helpful later.